kind of far, but there's two eagles. Two eagles. Gladys! Somewhere in the sky.
You're a dick. Gladys!
Hi, Gladys!
Gladys!
Oh, I can't get her anymore. All right, where is she? Where is she? Where is she?
There.
Gladys! There's the eagle.
Gladys, come here!
Yeah. Wee. Oh, I think there's another one up there too. Hi, Gladys.
Gladys, come here!
This is our second group that I feed. All the little duckies are over there. Geese. Yeah. Mama duck, mama duck. Oh, your daddy duck.
Hey.
Yeah. Oh. Hi, buddy. He's right above us. Hi, Feather. What you doing, Feather? There's plenty of food over there. Mama, that was a vulture. Yeah. Feather, go over there, baby. There's food over there. That's Feather's mate. She's always by me because she knows I have the food. All right. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. What's up? We got a couple common mergansers, a male and a female. Another male. It is really, really cold out here.